Hello children, in my previous class I started lesson 3 explanation part. So in that I explained you about evaporation and the process of evaporation. So today we are going to understand how it evaporates. What's evaporating here? Water. The liquid changes into higher temperature. These all things I explained you in my last class, right? So what is our lesson 3? Rain, rain, come again. The temperature of a liquid is high. Hot water evaporates faster. The temperature of liquid is high. Hot water evaporates faster. The area exposed to the air is large. More water evaporates from a plate than from a bottle, right? There is air blowing over the liquid if we can, yes. If the area is large, then the blowing of air is very fast, and if it is fast, then what is happening here? Evaporation. The process of evaporation is faster, right? There is air blowing over the liquid, right? If we can fan the surface of liquid, evaporation is faster. If we fan the surface of liquid, evaporation is faster. What it means? Yes, if we switch on the fan, the evaporation is faster. The sun shines and wind blows over ponds, lakes, rivers and seas. Yes, the sun shines and wind blows over the rivers, ponds, lakes and seas. Water stored in them gets heated up. What is happening here? Water stored in them, it's getting what? Heating up, right? Heated up. It goes on changing into vapor day and night. The process of vapor is changing day and night. This water vapor goes into the temperature around us, right? This water vapor goes into the temperature around us. We have all seen that steam changes back into water when cooled. Yes, we have seen steam changes into water when it is cooled. This process is called as what? It is called as condensation. What is called as condensation? The steam changes back into water then cooled. This process is called as condensation. For this reason, when water vapor cools, it condenses to form water droplets. So what is this process called as? Condensation. And you can see clearly on the glass, children, droplets of water. That procedure is called as condensation. What is this? How it is happening? Steam changed back into water when cooled. This process is called as condensation. We generally observe tiny drop of water on the grass of our lawns. At night, the temperature falls. How it is happening? At night, the temperature falls. The grass becomes cool. The water vapor present in the air comes in contact with it. The droplets of water are dew. The droplets of water, or else it can called as dew, are due to condensation of water vapor in the air. This is how dew is formed. This is how dew is formed. So with the help of this explanation, you got to know that what is the procedure, what is the meaning of condensation and how it forms, what is the process of condensation, and what is dew. Dew is nothing but a droplets of water. Where it falls? On the grass. Yes, on the grass it falls. And you can see clearly, children, I underline some of the vocabulary words. Work on that. How? Reading and writing. And this whole page is related to your reading part. In my previous class, I have given you a one passage to improve your reading. But this class, it will be like a whole page for your reading part, HW. And work on worksheets, children. Worksheet 1, worksheet 2. Work on that.